Get in there.
You don't know that. Here you go. Here's your donut. All right. So here we go. Kyle, get in here. Kyle.
Kyle.
You ready for this, Kyle? You ready to do another one of these?
You gotta show me how we're cooking.
I'll give you the steps as we go.
Alright.
Alright, so what we're gonna do today, we're doing another cooking video. We've had a couple drinks. Tink! So today we're gonna make some curry. And because I'm a vegetarian, it's gonna be a vegetarian curry recipe. It's gonna be aloo. What?
He's not a vegetarian.
I'm a vegetarian. Shut up. You don't know.
You don't get to pick and choose the days
I will
you're
vouch.
vegetarian.
He ate some meatless tacos whenever we came back from Bug Black.
Paid $15 for some Impossible Meat tacos.
For like 3, I think.
They wanted to get like
small number.
It was $15 for like $15 for 3 Impossible Meat tacos at Del Taco. I think they're just upcharging me because it was like 2:30 in the morning.
It's probable.
So today we're gonna make a curry recipe called Aloo Gobi masala. Probably not pronouncing that right, but it's a vegetarian curry recipe involving cauliflower and potatoes and onions and hard-boiled eggs. Kyle, you ready to start making? You ready to start cooking?
Let's do it.
Let's start cooking.
Cook it up.
All right. So we've got some water boiling here. We got some water boiling here, and you might be thinking, why is the water boiling?
Why?
Why?
What happened to the
Well,
water?
because this recipe.
Why did it boil?
Why did it boil? Why?
Tell me.
Because science.
What are you gonna do with that?
We're gonna put these eggs in that water, and we're gonna hard boil some eggs, because that's the part of the. Oh, god damn it! Ooh, I'm afraid to drop them. I don't want to break the eggs. Oh, look at them eggs. Those are boiling. They're just gonna boil. They're gonna boil soon. Mm-hmm. Should we put more than 2 eggs in?
How many? What? Okay.
One more. You want 4 eggs in this thing? You know what? You want 4 eggs? We're gonna get 4 fucking eggs.
4 eggs.
Turn up the heat.
Crank it.
Yeah! Yeah! We're gonna get 4 eggs! It's gonna be a 4 egg
Fiasco.
It's gonna be a 4 egg fiasco.
That's gonna be excellent.
Oh wow. Alright.
We got some garlic.
Yeah.
Granulated.
Granulated what?
Garlic.
The garlic's granulated?
Yes.
Nobody told me.
Curry powder.
That's cooking. You skin
Leave
some.
the skin on. That's where all the vitamins
That's what I'm saying,
No,
man.
leave the skin on?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay,
That's
you
where
know
all
what?
the vitamins
Fuck it,
are.
we're leaving the skin on these potatoes.
You need
That's how we do it. You know, minerals are. You know what? Fine. We'll leave the skin on these potatoes. All right, so here we go. We're gonna cut some veggies. Oh wait, I need my knife. That's not a knife. That's an. Oh god damn it! That's a camera. Right. You know how to cut cauliflower?
Whatever the hell is on top of here.
Yeah, basically cut.
Kyle.
Cut out that part, that one, and those two, and we got the rest. Should be fun. Here you go, Kyle.
If I get poisoned by your cauliflower,
You're not gonna get. Do you want to
focus on that poison?
Do you want to cut the potatoes? I'll cut the cauliflower.
Look at this. We're gonna cut
Kyle,
off the poison.
Don't do that.
This is how we cut off the
That's
poison.
not how you fucking, dude.
This is how you cut off the poison, dude.
So terrible.
that.
God damn it. You're definitely sweeping up.
I'm sweeping the hell out of your kitchen, dude. Look at this. We're getting that poison off of there. That's how you get poison off.
Yep.
Look at that. Now it's clean cauliflower.
What about that part right there? Don't get it in my drink.
Where's your drink, dude?
It's in my head.
Anywhere remotely.
It
near
was.
here. Look at that.
Oh, get that shit out of
That's
here.
a diseased cauliflower.
Get that fucker.
We gotta,
Get it out.
We gotta chop it.
Get it out. Get him out.
We gotta chop it. This is surgery.
Take him and get him out. Oh shit.
Okay.
That's healthy in there. God damn, all that shit on the floor.
There we go. Look at how clean that.
Popping off. Shit.
Kyle, I think it's
Look at how
good.
clean that cauliflower is.
You've successfully
Hold
deboned the
on.
cauliflower. It's very symmetrical.
I'm gonna sweep that.
Just get the trash can.
All
Just
right.
while you're doing
They're
that,
boiling ferociously.
I'm gonna start cutting these potatoes.
Okay.
Got cauliflower on my cutting board.
There's cauliflower all over the place.
God damn.
Look out. Look. Look out. Oh no!
Kyle, you missed some.
Nelson Crawford.
Kyle, you missed some. God damn it! There's a piece of cauliflower in my goddamn drink.
How?
I don't know.
I think you planted that shit
Oh yes, I planned
for
it.
content.
Cauliflower rum.
That's our new
Chicken
drink.
vodka and cauliflower rum. All right. We're keeping the skin on the potatoes. That's not how I made it the last time, but I'm open to new ideas. Gonna chunk that shit up. Are those big enough chunks, or you want them a little smaller? Some sunny day, ba-doo, ba-doo, we'll meet again. Don't know where.
Whole thing, half thing, quarter
Cut
thing.
up all that shit. Do you
All
know
of
how
it?
to cut cauliflower? Cut it from like this side so you can see where you're cutting.
Look at all that.
Cut it like a tree branch.
This is a much harder recipe than a PB&J.
Oh yeah.
Look at all this cauliflower.
Dude,
This
good.
is cauliflower junction, dude.
Did you put a timer on your eggs?
Yeah, what's going on with the eggs, Nelson?
They're hard boiling. They're fine. In New York. Let's just stem. We don't need that.
Stems, dude, they cook the same way. What are you talking
Fine,
about?
you can
They
have
got
that.
the most
You can
vitamins.
have that then. Fine, leave it in. I don't
Celery
give a
and
shit.
cauliflower have the most vitamins in the stem, dude. I'm telling you.
Have the most.
That's about right.
It's a lot. There's no like meat substitute in here, so like the vegetables are all supposed to be like hefty.
Beans, dude. That's the best.
I'm not
meat
putting
substitute.
beans in this. Fuck that. Go fuck yourself. No. Well, beans ain't going in this curry. Do you guys really think we need another potato after this?
You need a way bigger bowl than that.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh shit. Here. Oh shit. Okay. Fuck you, man. Jeez. Can you cut up these peppers right here, please?
What is this?
That
Have
is
you
a
ever seen
that
a
is
pepper?
a serrano. God.
They're actually very tasty.
This is a serrano.
Yes.
There we go.
Look at that.
God,
What a paltry amount.
fucking give me this. God
What a
damn
fucking
it.
small amount of pepper.
It's. Eat this, Kyle. Tell me how small it
Onions,
is.
what do they call
Eat
it?
it. It's a serrano. Go ahead.
That's pretty good. That's a good pepper. Was that the little one or the...
Yeah, that was the serrano. Is no heat behind that?
There is heat behind that. I like spicy food though.
I know. I thought you were about to just go full on bitch mode. That's what I was like. Get the
Oh
camera.
no, dude, I fucking
Give me a
love
take shot.
spicy. Smell that shit?
I do, and I'm not happy about it. Alright, we're gonna get to those mashed potatoes later. Let's start on this pot of curry.
We're not gonna fit anywhere near the amount that...
Dude, no, it all fit in. That's why I got a pot instead of a pan.
It's not gonna fit in
the
there.
pot.
So should I get the pan?
You should get the biggest thing.
Alright, the pan's the biggest
You
thing
need
I
a
have.
giant pot that's not smoking.
Oh fuck, we didn't cut the onions! We only need like one whole onion. Gotta have onions. It ain't Aloo Gobi masala without some onion. And smell to it. We turn that down. Be careful because there's hot oil behind you. Actually, never mind, I got it. Okay. Need to go ahead and throw the cauliflower in there. Alright. Cauliflower's going in. God damn it.
That was an explosive cauliflower.
I got popped. I got scared. So do you want to get that cauliflower going first?
There's a moldy bit. Oh, Lord. I can feel it. I'm gonna cry into the onions. That's the secret ingredient, folks.
Cry into your onions. Cry into your onions. Cry into your onions.
There we go. Oh, my eyes are burning.
Now we're going to add some potatoes. All those potatoes in there.
Look at that.
And then while those are in there, we're going to put some water in to kind of let all that simmer down. Simmer down now! Gonna stir all that together. It's gonna simmer a bit. And then we're gonna add in our curry powder and everything.
How about some onions?
The onions are coming eventually, Kyle. Calm down. You see how much you cut those fuckers up too?
Look at how sliced these are.
Stop fucking cutting onions!
Don't step backwards, you're gonna burn your foot, dude.
We're gonna put the curry powder in there, and then that's when we're gonna put the stuff in there. There's the curry powder. I'm gonna open the big side here. Kyle, you got the onions and peppers ready? Hold on, wait, not yet, not yet. I gotta stir it in there a little bit. Alright, that gets in there. Yeah. Can you get a good focus on that?
Kinda.
Now a moment of truth for Kyle. Kyle, are you happy about this?
I'm ready. Let's put it in.
Throw them in there.
Alright.
More stuff on the floor, thank you.
I'll clean it up.
No, you won't.
I've been cleaning it up the whole fucking time.
So all those onions and serranos and jalapenos are getting mixed into the cauliflower and potatoes there. Garlic chunk!
Just put it in there as wet.
Well, that's what I'm
The
saying.
moisture's gonna break it up.
No, but you want to cut it up a little bit more so that it makes it easier to break up once the moisture gets into it.
Oh, that's true.
Drink out of there.
There's a
Hold it,
lid
hold
involved. There we go.
Oh, it's in there now. Now that that's in, let's get this water boiling over here so that we can make our mashed potatoes.
What?
Nothing, just like you're just like, fuck it, I'm getting to it, fucking angle. I'm going.
Listen to that sulfur. Look at that. All done.
God damn it, Kyle. Shit.
You smell that?
Yeah, I do smell it.
that.
Tell us more about how much food you cook.
Dude, guys, do you want to know how much I cook? I cook like crazy. You can see more of my cooking videos on this here YouTube channel.
Get out of the shot!
Okay. Get over to what Kyle's stirring too, if you don't mind.
Egg.
That's beautiful.
Do you see that?
Okay.
Be careful. Kyle, you're gonna drop that shit. So many things have fallen on the floor at your hand
You
tonight.
see? No, that's not true. What?
Okay, that's why I wanted to make the mashed potatoes once everything was in the pot. Because, like, they're already ready. Okay, let's toast to this before we plate it.
Tink! Yeah.
There you go.
Is that what this is?
Cool?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, let's see.
Generally. Inside of me. Generally.